Many years have passed, wandering endlessly. Where are you going in circles, wearying your life? Upon my shoulders, the sun and the moon, shining through 100 years on this journey home. The words of the trees, the whispers of strange grass, one afternoon intoxicated, and life passes gently by. Spring fades, then summer withers on the first autumn day. I hear horses' hooves galloping afar. Clouds above my head, sunlight on my shoulders. My feet keep moving while the rivers remain. The spirit of love calls unexpectedly. Once again, I see the shadow of humanity in me. Through it rain here, I recall the distant rain. The raindrops fall within me, small and scattered. 100 boundless years, never a reunion. I wonder where truly is my homeland. The path circles endlessly in weariness. One afternoon intoxicated, life passes gently by. Every sunset word sounds like a tombstone's whisper. Each word from rivers echoes from ancient streams. While returning, I miss my journeys, climbing high mountains, venturing wide seas. Human hands have never been generous. The wild winds blow relentlessly through youthful springs. Today I drink and hold life in a late sleep, only to regret springtime come morning.